Hello everyone, welcome to a short video, 5 things one should not do before CAT 2020, part of the series 10 days to crack CAT. My name is Anupam. Please download and install Unacademy app. Unacademy subscription is an amazing investment into the future, the kind of quality which we are giving in the kind of pricing which we are offering to you. This is amazing, world class. For the people who are writing CAT next year, 24 months plan makes more sense to me. Boils down to 18,900. People writing CAT this year, they can go for 6 and 3 months program. Use the code Saxena Live to get a discount. There are also EMI options available, no cost EMI options available on 6, 12 and 24 month subscription. Don't stress yourself out. Don't worry. Keep preparing, keep solving few questions every day and all will be well. Don't delay admit card related and venue related task. Get your admit card printed out right away. Sort your venue address. How will you commute to the venue? All these issues, sort them out now. Also purchase all the pandemic related gear which you need to buy, say face masks or hand gloves or mask or sanitizer, surface cleaner. I'm not sure whether surface cleaner will be allowed to you or not, but then whatever you think you can carry and you see it is within the guidelines given in the admit card and the instructions given on the CAT website, please carry them. Don't lose your sleep, appetite in fitness. Please sleep well, eat well and keep exercising. You will be only able to do well if you are sleeping, eating and exercising well. Do not study new topics at the last moment. Do not stress yourself. Don't get bogged down by the new topics at the last moment. If you want to study in difficult topics and in tough topics, please study now. If there are any problem areas, sort them out now. From Friday onwards, stop studying new topics. Just revise, eat well, sleep well, solve some few questions. That is all. Don't study a lot on the last day before the CAT. So on the last day before the CAT, that's a Saturday, 28th of November. Don't study a lot. Just say watch a favorite film or just go for a long walk. Don't get tired. Don't do something which will tire you a lot so that you may have a bad day on Sunday. But just relax. You can revise a little bit. Go through your old notes. Certain things which you would like to remember, but don't bother yourself a lot. All right, so that's about it. Unacademy subscription, you've discussed that on Unacademy. There are special classes also. The special live classes are free of cost. They don't charge you anything. They are quite free. The quizzes are also free. But Unacademy subscription there are live classes. You can ask questions. You can interact with the educator. You have live polls and leaderboard. Test series and analysis. So test series are extremely important. Test series you have this this amazing ability in which you can so in the test series are the only way in which you will improve your scores, and you have to analyze your test series very, very appropriately. So please do that, and also please make use of the doubt solving session. Every 4th class in Plus course is a doubt solving session. The Plus courses are specially designed. They are uniquely designed for the Plus candidates, the subscriber as we call them, and although quality remains same, but there's certain privileged content to which they have access to. So, and test series are the backbone of a preparation which you will only get if you are a Plus student. All right, thank you very much. Use the code Saxena Live to get 10% discount.